Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, Subject Mathematics, Topic Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Students, as we all have learned about different types of shapes in Standard 1 as well as in Standard 2, now we will be learning something more about these shapes in Standard 3. But before going to the topic, we will revise those shapes once and then we will start with the lesson. First, quadrilaterals. You all can see some shapes popping on your screen. These are the different types of quadrilaterals. Second, triangle. These are the different types of triangles. Third, circle. Now I have one activity for you all. Are you people ready for that? So the activity is like, I will show you all some pictures and you all have to guess the geometrical figure of that picture. So here is your first picture. It's a television. What is the geometrical figure of the television? Yes, you are correct. It's a rectangle. Now the second picture. It's a sun. What is the geometrical figure of the sun? Yes, it's a circle. Now the third picture. Carom board. What is the geometrical figure of the carom board? Yes, you are right. It is a square. And here comes your last picture. The picture of a sandwich. Now tell me the geometrical figure of the sandwich. Yes, it is a triangle. Let us learn something more about the shapes, edges and corners. You all must be wondering what are these edges and corners. I will tell you all. First, rectangle. You all can see a rectangle appearing on your screen. Now the first arrow will show you all the edge. Edge is nothing but the side of a shape. And the second arrow will show you all the corner. A corner is nothing but the pointer of a shape. So accordingly, a rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now observe that shape properly. Can you all see something? The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Now let us go to a second shape. Square. You all can see a square appearing on your screen. All the edges of a square are of equal length. Not like the rectangle. The rectangle had only 2 sides equal. But in square all the 4 sides are of equal length. And there is one similarity. A square also has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now the third shape. Quadrilateral. Observe the shape properly. A quadrilateral also has 4 edges and 4 corners, same like square and rectangle. Now the fourth shape, triangle. Can you all guess that how many edges and corners does a triangle have? Yes, a triangle has 3 corners and 3 edges. Now the last shape, circle. Observe the circle properly. Can you all tell me how many edges and corners does a circle have? No, a circle does not have any edge or corner. Therefore, the statement for the circle is a circle has 0 edges and 0 corners. I hope everyone is clear with the topic. Now I want you all to complete the table given below. There are 4 columns. First column is of figures, second column is for name of the figure, third column is for number of edges, and fourth column is for number of corners. Hope everyone has finished with writing their answers. You all can check your answers. I hope the topic was clear to you all. Thank you, students.